All right, check out this radar imagery of Oklahoma, a point right where I'm at, about right there. Yeah, it's gonna rain cats, dogs, chickens. So I've owned this house for 13 years, and I've always had a problem with this washing out in the springtime. So let me show you what I did to mitigate, the runoff there. See the water coming out of the gutter right there? Let me show you what I did back here. So I don't get too wet here. So there's that right there. Flows out that way. Goes up there, around there. And that whole back side of the wall there, or the roof, I got that capped off with aluminum HVAC tape, heavy duty. So there's nothing coming out there, which will wash down this way. So everything comes up through there, down, and out. So it looks like it's working. But yeah, this is a big problem right down there. I tried to, get it so it doesn't backwash that way, so it flows down this way. But it still kind of ponds up right up in there, so I didn't like that, and it washes out right down through here. So we don't want that happening. So now it just goes right down the driveway here, as you can see. Cool. And another thing I fixed here, all this runoff here, I had it going in that way, but that just backfilled in the pond there, so now I have it going out that way. See it?